What's up, YouTube? Quick update on the Camaro. I did get some stickers from In-Chain Designs. They color matched some YouTube stickers. I got them installed here. I got a couple extras for the truck, but not a whole lot going on with the Camaro yet. We did put about 700 miles on it, and we got some really big modifications coming in the mail soon, and I'll do some updates as they come in the mail and some install videos of the parts also. The other big thing is we are going to the Detroit Auto Show this coming weekend. While we're in Detroit, we hope to be able to take a tour of another shop there real close to the Detroit Auto Show. Hopefully we can make that happen. Still trying to hear back from them. And that's about it. Thanks for stopping in. That's about all I have for today. Please subscribe and have a good day.